si Atasha yung nakausap namin dun kay Tita Ethel. Tapos nabanggit niya sa amin, kung gagawa siya ng movie, gusto niya yung kay remake ng Jezebel ni... Dahil yung mom niya di ba, nag-Jezebel before, sobrang favorite niya. Gusto rin niya maging mermaid. Yes. Kung ikaw nakatanongin, ano naman ang gusto mong pelikula kung bibigyan ka ng diva ng movie mo?
The movie that I was considering and I've been thinking about lately is Talos by Bernard Bonin, because he's my lolo, actually. He's my mother's father, and I never really got the chance to really spend time with him or really speak to him. So if I had to pick a movie, it would be Talos. That role, character role.
Wow, so medyo action din ba yun?
Yes, it is.
At saka madulas yan, di ba, si Palos? Tama ba, Phoebe?
Oh, I think so.
Tinanong si Phoebe, parang alam ni Phoebe. Ayaw mo nung meron may question dito, ayaw mo nung Miguelito, ang batang rebelde, ng mo? Tama ba?
Angelito yun.
Batang Amaraw, sorry. Pasensya, Rose. Ay, maganda yung movie na yun ni Aga, di ba? Sobrang ganda nung Miguelito, ha?
Yeah, so that was my dad. I believe that was my dad's second movie or third in his career. So I wouldn't necessarily close my doors to anything. I understand what it takes to do a movie like that. It's hard. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe he won an award for that movie. Or yes, he did. Yes. So I wouldn't necessarily say no, but I'm interested as well.
Pwede rin medyo mga musical, may mga dance na parang bagets or yung, yung isa yung agang hot shots, yung mga ganon. Di ba yung sumasayaw yung daddy mo? Ikaw sumasayaw ka rin. Pwede ka rin kumanta, sumayaw, ganon. Pwede rin yun.
Yes.
Gusto mo yun?
I would love to, definitely. A movie centered around dancing would be very fun, and it would be really exciting to shoot a movie like that and given a good cast around me with other people. It'll be super fun.
Last na lang, since nabanggit ni Rose yung crush, isa sa mga talagang sobrang may crush sa'yo, si Riza May. Di ba? Tapos na nag-guest ka sa Bulaga. Sobrang, may mga nagsiship pa sa inyo, yung meron na nga kayong parang Andray ang tawag dun sa mga nagsiship. Anong feeling mo doon? Sobrang crush na crush ka ni Riza May.
It's very flattering, and Riza is really a sweet person. She's super nice. She's a good friend of Tosh as well. So, yeah.
Thank you, Andre.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.